Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Clinical documentation refers to the recording of details pertaining to encounters with patients. Clinical documentation is an integral aspect of working as a healthcare professional, regardless of what specific field you work in. Because these documents have such a significant role to play in various processes, looking for ways to improve your note-taking is always a good idea. Not only are clinical notes required for insurance contexts, but they have been shown to elevate the patient quality of care and improve clinical outcomes. We have collated some of the key strategies that often accompany these programs to help you ensure your clinical documentation is as effective as possible. Data. In order to improve clinical documentation, you must first identify the specific aspects that require improvement. By observing the documentation through data analysis, you will be able to pick up on the inefficiencies. Quality over quantity. It is important that your clinical documentation is thorough and accurate, but this doesn't necessarily mean it has to be lengthy. Progress notes should never exceed 2 pages in length, and you should avoid vague language and lengthy sentences. Timely. The best way to ensure accuracy is by writing them whilst the information is fresh in your mind. Secondly, all forms of clinical documentation are dated and signed, and it will work in your favour if you consistently write your documentation in a timely manner. Software. As technology continuously develops, we are seeing an increase in the number of healthcare practices implementing these systems into their business. Software allows for effective practice management. Templates. Various documentation templates are available to physicians, and you shouldn't be afraid to use them. Templates will help you increase consistency and ensure you don't leave out any important information. Central database. Regardless of whether you decide to implement an EMR into your practice, all of your clinical documentation should be stored in a central database, meaning clinicians won't waste time searching for documents and they are accessible 24/7. Workflow. CDI programs are likely the best way to improve the clinical documentation of your practice. If you incorporate one of these programs into your clinical workflow, then physicians will be able to efficiently improve their documentation without it interrupting their regular schedule. Keep up to date with guidelines. As the guidelines for medical billing and documentation frequently change, it can be difficult to stay up to date. However, ensuring you are aware of updated guidelines will allow you to reduce the number of reimbursement rejections and denials your practice receives, allowing you to get paid on time. Educate. It is important that your physicians are aware of the reasons why CDI programs are important. If they don't understand the uses of clinical documentation, then it will be difficult for them to improve theirs. Continuous progress and performance monitoring. Lastly, to ensure that any improvements made to clinical documentation methods are long-lasting, you should monitor progress and performance continuously. To learn more about clinical documentation, click on the link in the description. If you would like to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.